Hearing that kind of talk, you're feeling it a little bit.
Michigan State's getting their butt whooped.
North Carolina came in here obviously focused, extremely talented.
She's rooting for North Carolina.
No denying that.
She's got North Carolina blue on. But being a Big Ten fan, I might as well go for Michigan State, huh?
To get off to a great start tonight and did just that.
Oh, a shot and a foul. There you go. Got it down to 16.
One of the few opportunities that Michigan State has had on dribble penetration to create something inside. That's a nice finish by Draymond Green. Get off to a great
Somebody's
start
rubbing
tonight.
her eyes.
Yeah, I was going to see if I could draw it out another 20 minutes before we give her the knockout bottle. Now, there's nothing special with a knockout bottle. It just tends to knock her out. You get any ideas?
Sets up 1-1. Dana Green.
Thea, you really into that ball game or what?
She is. She can't believe North Carolina might be losing their lead. Oh, that wasn't a reach in, was it? No. Let's go like this. Rah, rah.
Shooting team in North Carolina who's going to be shooting free throws the rest of the way on the season. 75% are the Tar Heels from the line. Second foul on Walton. 1-1.
Lawson has made only 1 of 7 from the field tonight.
Yeah. Give those refs a hard time. You tell them that was not a good call.
That was loud.
You want to get down? Go get that camera.
Michigan State fans thought they had a takeaway.
Okay, well.
And if that's on green, I'm not sure if it is. I don't think
I'm so tired, I don't want to let you down.
Oh.
Hard to tell, he got some arm there. He did get a lot of the orange, but
Level just tip right over.
Hi.
by the way, they tell us an earlier foul.
I can't back up once it's on video, so your head is like huge.
So he's only got 3.
And the